The guaranteed insurability rider allows a client to add coverage to their policy at specified intervals or events without them having to prove evidence of insurability. So without them having to go through underwriting again. This usually expires at age 40, although every company can have a different policy on this. So what this means, if you have a guaranteed insurability rider on your policy, it means, say you have a guaranteed insurability rider to add coverage to your policy every 3 years. So say you have like $1 million term policy, you may have a guaranteed insurability rider to be able to add $5,000 or $50,000 of coverage to your policy every 3 years. Or say you have a whole life policy. It's common on whole life policies. Like every 3 to 5 years, you can add an extra $50,000 or $20,000 or whatever amount of coverage. It would be specified within the policy how much you can add. So you have the option to buy more insurance at different intervals in time without having to go through underwriting again. So if you get your initial policy, you go through the whole underwriting process and you get approved for it, great. If you get approved with the guaranteed insurability rider, it means that at certain intervals of time, you'll be able to add more insurance with just an increase of premium, right? With just, you have to pay more money, but you don't have to go through underwriting again, no new blood tests, doctor's visits, or anything like that. Now, there's also guaranteed insurability riders that allow you to add coverage, say if you have a child or you get married or like things like that, like certain life events. All right. And this rider also stacks with other riders. So what that means is we talked about the waiver of premium rider, the disability waiver of premium rider before. Now, what that means is that if you're disabled, then after a certain amount of time of being disabled, the company will pay for your premiums, or they'll waive your premiums, right? So you don't have to make payments anymore on your policy. Now, you can also use the guaranteed insurability rider to increase your coverage, which would technically increase your premium. But since if you're disabled, you fall under the waiver of premium rider, means you can still increase your coverage without having to pay that additional premium. So the premiums would still be waived. So it's pretty cool. Now, if you find value in this video, subscribe to the channel. Also, I have a life insurance agency, and I hire insurance agents across the United States to sell life insurance 100% over the phone. We sell life insurance. We provide all the leads you need. No driving around, no prospecting to friends and family or buying leads or anything like that. So we provide everything to you. It's very plug and play. So if you're interested in learning how you can make a bunch of money from the comfort of your own home on your own schedule, just reach out to me at jve@thejve.com. I hope you found value in this video. If you look up right here, you're going to see another video that will help you pass your life insurance licensing exam. Thank you.